Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're doing great, having a good day. I'm back to share some dies that I picked up from In Love Art Shop and a few projects that I created with the dies. And this time around I picked out some background dies and I thought this one was so cute. I love the little starburst shape and I think it cuts out 24 of the little starbursts. And I think it's super cute. You can use it for the frame, and also if you keep the little starbursts, I decided to use them on a few other projects. And or if you do like confetti, this would be a great die to cut like a bunch of tissue paper or vellum and things for your Happy Mail packages. So I thought this one was really cute. So that's the starburst one. And then this one here is like a hexagon or honeycomb design. And it's a little bit smaller than the other one, but again, I thought these inner pieces were really nice to add onto other projects as well. So, and the other thing I like is that these dies don't cut around the rectangle shape. So you can cut your cardstock bigger or smaller and have like whatever size border around this you want. So I thought that one was cute as well. And then I picked up this one here. It's a nesting die set and it's really cute. It comes with 3 and it has a little scalloped edge and some little stars in each of the scallops. So I thought that one was fun. And then I picked out this one here, and it's a set of 2. The top layer, or one of the layers, is like a lattice design, and it comes with these little holes as well, so you can make like a little mini album, or I decided to use it and make a card, a couple of cards with it, but really cute. So this is one piece, and then this is the other piece, and it has the matching little holes there. And this is scored and folds over to make a pocket, and then it also has a little tab that sticks out there. So I thought this one was fun and different. So I'll go ahead and share some of the projects that I created using that last die. I made a birthday card, and I just cut the top layer with this really cute, delicate vellum that has polka dots. And I had to make my own jump rings because I only had a couple different sizes, and some were too small and some were too big. So I made my own, and I kind of overlapped them here so that they kind of stay on a little bit better. And then I did put some seed beads and sequins on the jump rings, and on this top one here I added this cute little tulle tassel charm that was created by Armine, Happy Mail Queen. Hey girl, I've been hoarding it for a while, but it looked really cute with this project, so I decided to use it. So that's how I attached these 2 together. And then I did use the smallest, I think, of the other nesting dies with the little stars. It's hard to see with the glitter, but that's what this silver glitter piece is right here. It's using the other die that comes in a set of 3. And then I just used some cut-aparts and stickers and things from the Crepe Paper Hooray collection, and I did some little stitching there and popped some things up, add a little pom-pom. So there's that. And then I haven't decided if I'm going to cover this part up to add a sentiment, or maybe just write it in here with another die cut matching the scalloped, so you don't really see it when it's closed, and then when you open it you can add your message there. And then on the back here, this is where it folds over and it creates a little pocket, and you can insert a gift card or a tag or something there, even like a little treat would work there. So I thought that was really cute. And I just did some layering with more of the cut-aparts and stickers from the paper collection, added some little puffy stickers. And so there's this one. I love the way that one turned out. I think it turned out so cute. So here's another one I started. I haven't decorated it all the way, but I thought it would show like the layers a little bit better. So this one is cut with a different vellum that has gold polka dots on it, and as you can see, it cuts the little lattice design there. And then I did some stitching around here too. And for this one, I wanted to try and see if it would work, just so that it would fit better in the envelope I'm sending it in, to fold down the tab and not have that sticking up. So I just scored it before I folded it and kind of taped it on the inside. And what I'll probably do to cover this up is add some washi tape, and then some of the stickers and cut aparts like over this area to cover that up, but that way you don't have the opening in the tab, so you can do that as well. So there's this one, and then I used the honeycomb or hexagon background die on this one, and I cut it out of the gold glitter here, and then just layered some pattern paper underneath that. And then I used a pre-made card and just did some stitching with gold thread along the edge, and added another little tag from the paper collection with some stitching, a pink vellum rosette, and these are some of the puffy stickers from the Hooray paper collection too. So really, really cute. I love that image with the cat. So cute. And then the balloon, a little bow, and then a pom-pom. So I haven't added anything to the inside yet, but I think it turned out really cute. Really fun. I love that pink cat. So cute. And then the last one here, I got this idea to do the layering on the background die from Scrap Diva, I think, Erica, and also Serenity Creations Anna. They both have done some cards in the past, I think, and I remember them doing that look where you cut it 2 or 3 times and then you stagger it behind it, and then you could just see the gold peeking through. So I thought that was so cute. I love the way they did that, and it looks so cute with these background dies. So so this is just a card front. I haven't really finished it, just made the card front, and I haven't attached it to the card yet. But this one's using the crepe paper flea market collection, I think it is. And after I did the background, I just cut some strips and sewed them together there, used some decorative scissors on the edge here, and then another die that I had to cut out the Celebrate word sentiment there, and then just did some fussy cutting from the paper collection and punched out these vellum leaves too, and just embellished with some sequins and things. So there's this one. So those are my projects using the In Love Arts dies that I picked out. So I will link and put down the information for each of the dies that I used in the description box. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed taking a look, and I will be sharing, I don't think I've shared these last 2 on Instagram, so I'll leave my Instagram link in the description box below as well in case you want to check that out. So okay guys, well thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.